If you have to bulk update a bunch of items within an Azure DevOps board, then utilising the Excel plugin is a great way to do that. Now here we are in Excel, and what we're going to do is utilise this plugin. So the first thing to do is to pull in the information from our Azure DevOps board, and we're going to do that via a query that we've created in Azure DevOps. And it'll pull down all of our items within that query. So we can now go about actually changing the state or reassigning these items and then push them back up to Azure DevOps. We also have the action of being able to link these items together again and then push it back up into Azure DevOps, or even attach items to each of these items within Azure DevOps. So if we have quotes from a vendor, say, and we want to share them with the rest of the team and make them visible within the Azure DevOps board, we can do that from this Excel plugin as well. So it's a great way of doing your bulk admin for Azure DevOps boards quickly and easily.